All right, guys, today we're going to talk about suffixes. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to say these three things. I can define suffixes, I can add a suffix to a base word to change the meaning, and I can use my knowledge of suffixes to determine the meaning of a word. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you need to remember is that a suffix is not a word all by itself. It's a group of letters with a specific meaning. Suffixes are added to the end of a word to change the word's meaning. So for example, if we take the word wash, okay, we know that wash means to clean with water and soap. And we add the suffix able, and when we add this suffix able, it turns a verb into an adjective, and we get the word washable, which means that it is something that can be washed. Don't worry if you get marker on your shirt, it's washable. So there's an example of the word. All right, so these are some common suffixes. We have ness. Whenever we add ness to the end of a word, that means it's in the state of. So for example, happiness means that I am in a state of being happy. We have just the suffix y, and that turns a noun into an adjective. So for example, I might say it is windy outside. And then full, and that just means full of. So for example, I am thankful. I am full of thanks. And then we have able, which means that it is able to do something. Okay, so for example, we have happiness, which is the state of being happy. We have rainy, which describes the weather. Rain would be a noun. And then when we turn it into rainy, it becomes an adjective. So that means it's raining. We have hopeful, which means we are full of hope that something will happen. And we have readable, which means something is able to be read.